of you. Found it in memories kept in the dark corner of my room. Sometimes I feel you all over again when you have me close. We lost track of time, we were losing our minds, cried and perhaps even prayed sometimes. Sana iyong marinig ang hiling ng puso niya. Sana kayanin pa niya ang magmahal ng iba. Kahit hindi man kami ang wakas, ikaw lang naman ang lunas ng aming pag-ibig. Kahit wala kami. Gaze at the sky, we lay down counting the stars. 6 was the number we reached till we slept in each other's arms. What do I do? It's too good to be true that you love me so. You're walking away and I beg you to stay, 'cause I can't let go. Sana iyong marinig ang hiling ng puso ko. Sayang, di ba pwedeng masunod ang aking gusto? Sa ating hati ay di nakalusot, ikaw lang naman ang nakakaalam ng sagot. Bakit sagot? Bakit wala na? Diin na kaya. Bakit wala na? Diin na kaya. Pasensya sa abala, bahal lang ako. Ang hirap magtiwala pag ang daming mong tanong. Pasensya sa abala, ako'y inabi ko lamang sa maling akala. Anong iyong sagot? Laban mo yung kantang yan! That was Pakisagot, another song from my EP Believe. It answers the question, why does God allow heartbreak? Right? Can I ask you, I wanna ask our audience. Kayo po. Sino po? Ayan! Sige, sige! Ay, layo. Paano ba bumaba? Pwede ba? Kayo na lang po, dito lang. Gusto mo lang kayo tanungin. Why does God allow us to feel hurt? For us to heal. And for us to understand what healing feels like. Yes? Tama! You know, this song is full of questions and the inner monologue of someone who knows God is in control. Despite of whatever we're going through, God is in control. But sometimes, you know, an explanation would be nice. Mahirap magtiwala pag ang dami mong tanong. Pero you know, sa kabila ng mga tanong sa utak mo, may darating na isang tao sa buhay mo. At siyang babago sa mundo niyo. Hindi mo alam, pati apelido mo bigla nagbago.